Hey guys, it's the Korean Gordito. Today we have a very special video. Here are 3 levels of exotic Korean food. Let's get started. Well, what do we have here? These are chicken feet, and when you mix these with a spicy red sauce, it becomes dakbae. Koreans are in love with this dish, and it is the perfect snack that goes along with soju. Make sure you get the ones that have no nails in the store. First things first, time for a soju bath to take away any funky odor. Didn't I tell you to wash your feet? Here I have a bottle of soju. Not for myself, of course.
Cheers.
And here we have some suspicious looking herbs, also known as bay leaves. We also add 3 garlic cloves and season it with salt. Now the most important component for this dish is a sauce. You can cater it to yourself, make it spicy, less spicy, sweet, however you want. Here I'm adding gochujang, some red pepper flakes, some soy sauce, and here I'm adding some corn syrup. Next goes some plum juice, along with some minced garlic and some minced ginger. Now we'll mix that beautiful sauce together and give it a taste.
Perfecto.
I wonder if the chicken are having a nice bath. Now that the chicken feet are nice and well cooked, we're gonna add olive oil to a pan, along with some spring onions, and we're gonna add our chicken feet. Just give it a nice stir fry, and then let's add our beautiful sauce and mix everything together. We gotta make sure that the sauce gets between every single finger so it really flavors the whole dish. And there we have it. Let's try this chicken feet. We're gonna add a finishing touch of sesame oil and sesame seeds on top. If you were to come to South Korea and try the chicken feet, most of them come with no bones. However, some of them will have bones, so I'll give you a little tip.
Oh yeah, I think I developed a feet fetish.
When people eat chicken feet with bones, you have to spit out all the little pieces. You see, one of these has about more than 10 bones, so here what I do, I just eat the whole thing and spit out the bones at once. Now this is the best part with the most meat, and there you got the whole bone. I know some cultures may be shocked, but trust me, it's worth a try. Now on to level 2. Why is it still moving? Well, I didn't have the guts to hurt this poor animal, so I ordered someone else to do it. This is sanakchi, which is basically live octopus.
Alright, let's give it a try. So usually this is enjoyed with some sesame oil along with some salt. So I'm just going to dip this right here. See, it's sticking to my chopstick right now. Let's go. I can feel it moving in my mouth. Oh, that's wild.
Careful not to be choked by this little guy, because there have been many instances of it sticking to your throat and you could actually die. No, seriously, be careful. And now for the last level. Yes, this is silkworm pupa, also known as bondegi. This is as exotic as it gets in the insect category.
What the?
You can sometimes see street vendors in the streets of Korea selling these. I'm pretty sure there are better ways to prepare this, but I'm just gonna eat it the OG way.
Bondegi, let's go. Even among us Koreans, there are people that enjoy this and don't really like this. Oh, there's a juice coming out of it. But no, it's actually quite crunchy. It doesn't really taste like an insect. Hey, that's pretty good. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you like this content. I will make a part 2. And comment down below which food would you try, which one would you not try. And finally, please subscribe. And thank you guys for your support. I'm gone with this one.